Guangzhou machinery, multi-head weighing film packing machine. For industrial-grade mass production. Intelligent HMI human-machine interface. Multi-group formula memory function. 10-head precision weighing system. For consistent weight of your products. Intelligent guiding system reduces film loss by 10%. Making the best use of every cent. High-speed packing of 30-50 packs per minute. Increasing production capacity. Letting your production line, saying goodbye to waiting. 304 stainless steel body. Stable operation in any environment. Whether it is granules, blocks, tablets, or shaped materials, Guangzhou packing machine can adapt to the diversified needs. Choosing Guangzhou multi-head weighing packing machine. It's not just choosing equipment. It's choosing a competitive advantage for the future.